The inverter is a core device that connects green energy sources such as photovoltaics, energy storage devices such as batteries, electrical loads, generators and the power grid, enabling flexible energy management and efficient utilization. Upon opening the box, you will find the following accessories included: tools preparation, precautions for wall-mounted installation of inverters, remove the metal cover before connecting all wires. Connect the battery power line with appropriate cable. Rotate to tighten the ceiling cap. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Connect the BMS port of the inverter to the battery port. Rotate to tighten the ceiling cap, following the wiring sequence instructions when connecting communication line. Taking a 580W photovoltaic panel as an example, the recommended maximum typical string configuration is shown above. Connect PV cable to PV port with appropriate cable. Make sure the DC switch are in the off state. Rotate to loosen the ceiling cap. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Connect the load port cable as per the above procedure. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Rotate to tighten the ceiling cap. Connect generator cable to gen port with appropriate cable. Rotate to tighten the ceiling cap. Connect the grid cable for the fuselage's internal props. Rotate to tighten the ceiling cap. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Follow the prompts on the PCB board to connect the CT. Mount the CTs to grid cable. The arrow direction confirming the CT should be towards grid. After all cable connections are complete, reinstall the removed cover. Ensures reliable grounding of the inverter housing. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Insert the Wi-Fi dongle into the Wi-Fi port. Verify PV, battery and grid voltages with a multimeter to confirm compliance with requirements. Press the battery power switch, the inverter side battery switch, the PV switch, and the grid power switch in sequence, then wait for the inverter to start. The inverter is successfully powered on. Select the appropriate working mode according to actual requirements. Perform corresponding settings based on the battery type, such as configuring the communication protocol. Here are some reference protocol for battery. Select the appropriate grid setting according to the installation region. The password is 61. The panel shows no alarms, successfully setting up.